Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas tree flicker. And this is how it flies. Whoa! Alright, want to learn how to make it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this Christmas tree flicker, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of cotton. But you could try from sheet or burn paper cut square. So begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. So we're going to fold in half diagonally both ways and then blend. If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and catch up. But I'll try and go a little bit slower. Okay, and now take these two sides and fold to the middle. And try and hold the layers down so they don't slide. Okay, rotate, and take this part and fold it up, like this. It's kind of messy right there. Okay. Alright, and now, let's just kind of just bring these two corners together. Don't make the whole fold, just bring them together and just make a little pinch right there. Alright, and then now fold, I'll just go ahead and zoom in. Fold to the crease mark and just make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides, like this. But it wouldn't hurt if you fold all the way across. Fold it, now fold it up so the 2 crease marks align with the edge. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, the Christmas tree is already taking shape. Yeah, this is a really simple model, by the way. So if you're new to folding, then this is a good model for you. So this is going to be the tree and this is going to be the trunk. So let's work on the trunk. So take this edge and fold it to this edge. Okay, and unfold. And now comes a kind of tricky step, not too bad. We're just going to make a swivel fold. So we're going to take this and we're going to just refold on that fold. Like this, and we're folding on that point too, where the crease hits the edge. And you just want to just make a swivel fold, and you really don't need to make it exact, but try and aim for it so that these edges align and this edge is parallel with the middle line. Just something like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. This is the back side anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, and now repeat on this side. So fold like this, unfold, and make the swivel fold. So yeah, something like that. Alright, and there is the trunk completed. So if you just want like a simple Christmas tree, just for display, you might like it just like this. Maybe you can maybe put a hole in there or something and put some string or maybe a hook in there and you can hang it on your Christmas tree as an ornament. Yeah. But if you want to make it into a flicker, then here we go. This is just 2 really simple folds. So to make it fly like a flicker, it might fly okay like this, but I think it'll fly a lot better if we close these 2 edges off. So just make this fold like this. Just fold it up just a little bit like that, and we're folding right on that corner of the trunk. We're just closing those edges off so no air gets up in there when it flies. And repeat on this side. Because when it comes to flickers, it's best when the model is all folded edges all the way around, not double edges or something like that. Think of like the tatos I teach in the past. That's why they fly so good, because it's folded edges all the way around. Alright, see? And now it'll fly a lot better, because all the edges are closed off. Yeah, and now just give it some curvature. This will probably make it fly better too. Give it some lift when it flies. So yeah, there it is. Maybe if you want, you can kind of fold this in like this. So you'll have not. Yeah, you can probably do that. But that's optional. This is just only if you want to have a non-pointy trunk. But yeah, but I kind of like it when it's pointy. Okay, enough with that. Now, let's see how this baby flies. Alright, so to fly this thing, you know the drill. I'm gonna hold it by the trunk, and I'm gonna flick on this edge. So here we go. Oh, I don't know if you saw that because I went kind of that way. Let's try that again. It did fly really good though. There we go, that was good. Let's see if I can get it to boomerang. Oh, it's a boomerang too. I forgot to show that in the intro. So if you kind of tilt it up like this and then flick it right, it'll come back to you like a boomerang. Oh, it came back that time. But honestly, I'm not really good at flicking boomerang stuff and catching it. I still need to practice on that. Oh, did you see that? It came right back to me. Okay, now I'm just gonna flick it like a normal flicker one more time. Whoa, oh my god, it landed right on my windowsill over there. Did you see that? I'm just gonna leave it over there. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that flicker. And if you want to fold this flasher, whenever I have the tutorial ready, that's where it'll be. Okay, see you guys later.